So this is a question where part of the difficulty lies in interpreting what the question is asking you for. So what we have here is a quadratic equation, x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. And the question wants us to find a and b, which are the two solutions of that quadratic equation. So in other words, we're looking for the two values such that this whole thing here equals 0. And the way we find that using quadratic equations is by factoring. So let's make our parentheses here. We have a single x squared here, so we're just going to put the x's in first. Now we have to find the other numbers. So we have a negative 7x and a positive 12. So we're looking for two numbers in which the product is a positive 12 and which sum to negative 7. Now since we have a negative here and a positive here, we know that the two numbers we're looking for must both be negative. So to find these numbers, what I'm first going to do is write down all the factors that can give us 12. So there's 1, 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So the only numbers that are going to sum to 7, or negative 7 I should say, are negative 3 and negative 4. So I'm just going to plug those in there right now. And as we can see, rewriting the equation, we have x equals 3 and 4. So the last thing we need to do is plug these values into here. So it doesn't matter which way you plug them in. So we get 3 minus 2 over 3 times 4 minus 2 over 4, which gets us 1/3 times 2/4. So the answer is 2/12, or 1/6. Now, if this was the actual test day, since this is a numeric entry question involving a fraction, it is completely okay to leave your answer as 2/12. You will still receive full credit for it. And in fact, it's probably preferable not to simplify your fractions at the end if you have that as the answer. It's just going to waste a few seconds, which you can spend on more problems. So if you have a fraction that you're not sure can be reduced more in a numeric entry question for the answer, just leave it as is.